Your ball may have a line on it, and mine does, and you're perfectly allowed to line that up on the putting green. Or if there's other situations where you're going to be placing a ball, not dropping it, obviously. Once you've dropped it, the ball's in play. If you're taking relief under a rule, maybe unplayable or penalty area or something. So not that, obviously you can't move it around then, but if you are placing the ball somewhere, could be the putting green where we like to line it up. And if the ball marker's down behind it, keep lining it, right? We can adjust as much as we want with that ball marker still there. Or sometimes, perfect example is when there's a ball interfering just off, off the putting green, kind of on the fringe, and Becky's ball is closer to the putting green than mine, and I think it's on my line of play, and I tell her it's interfering, so she puts a mark down and she picks it up. She holds it something like this. Good idea, because she's not allowed to clean it. And then after I've hit and she goes to put her ball back down, she is certainly entitled to lining that up. It wasn't lined up before. The Srixon label was on top before, but now she got an opportunity. She didn't clean it, but she could certainly now line up that line for herself for her next shot. And so this is saying that even though this is setting something down that's lining you up, it's okay, because it's a ball marker or a ball, and you're allowed to do that. Yes.